Welcome to Motor News, and today we have an Italian motorcycle brand, Fantic, with their uncompromising Caballeros. Premiere of these bikes took place in 2021 in Milan. At the EICMA event, we featured the full line of this motorcycle on our channel a few months ago. Today we'll show you the top 5 best-selling and most demanded bikes that really lived up to expectation. There are small flaws, but nothing is perfect in this world. Friends, here are 5 Fantic Caballeros, and now let's move to the next part of the video, where I will introduce you to these motorcycles with a brave revive. Let's go! Fantic works well on this anniversary motorcycle. At first they want to produce a central amount, but then, with the great interest of the buyers of this motorcycle, they increased the production of this particular motorcycle. This model of Caballero stands out from the rest by the fact that the maximum amount of work is done on its details: LED headlights, CNC machined LED mounts, exhaust from Arrow, and this 70s style design is also ideal for both city and off-road riding. This motorcycle engine and exhaust system is Euro 5 and updated seat for comfort and also digital speedometer. There was a quick facts about this bike and technical characteristics info. You will see the video in process. The engines of this motorcycle, which are 500cc, are etc. not varied. If there are any difference in these bikes, they are mainly the rear suspension system and the suspension system itself, which you will during the review of each motorcycle. I cannot really talk much because no new technology is used here, and the whole charm it is simple, very practical. As for the engines, you know the Caballero engines are made in China by Zhonghen, and trust me, they are very reliable engines. If you do not buy a used bike, in that case,